We are going to see example 5.25. Find the equation of a line which passing through 5, 7 and makes intercept on the axis equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So given that intercept on the axis are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, that is x-intercept is equal to a and y-intercept is equal to minus a. We are just assuming. So, which is nothing but b is equal to minus a. Therefore, the equation of the line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the equation of the straight line in intercept form. So here you know the value of a is a and the value of b is minus a. We just substitute the values in the first equation. So you get x by a plus y by minus a is equal to 1, which is implies x by a minus y by a is equal to 1. Since it passes through the point 5, 7, which is nothing but the value of x and y. So substitute the value of x and y in the equation. You get 5 by a minus 7 by a is equal to 1, which is implies 5 minus 7 by a, because the denominator are same. We just subtract the numerator. So 5 minus 7 by a is equal to 1, which is implies 5 minus 7 is minus 2 by a is equal to 1. Then you do the cross multiplication, a into 1. So the value of a is equal to minus 2. So you found the value of a. A is equal to minus 2. So substitute the value of a is equal to minus 2 in b is equal to minus a. You get the value of b. So b is equal to minus of minus 2, which is nothing but the value of b is equal to 2. So substitute a is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2 in equation 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. You get the intercept form of equation, which is nothing but x by value of a is minus 2 plus y by value of b is 2 is equal to 1, which is implies minus x by 2 plus y by 2. We are taking the negative sign to the numerator. So minus x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 1, which is implies minus x plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So the denominator of same 2. So minus x plus y divided by 2 is equal to 1. Then cross multiplication 2 into 1, which is implies minus x plus y is equal to 2, which is nothing but the equation of the line is x minus y is equal to minus 2. Then example 5.26. Find the intercept made by the line 4x minus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0. So given equation is 4x minus 9y plus 36 is equal to 0. You have to find the intercept form. So you just taking the constant to the right hand side. So plus 36 will become minus 36. So divided throughout by minus 36. Then only you get the intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So you have to change the right hand side value is 1. It is only possible you have to divide the throughout equation by minus 36. So 4x by minus 36 minus 9y by minus 36 is equal to minus 36 by minus 36. So if you cancel out 4 and 36, you get minus 9, and 9 minus 36 you get minus 4. Minus 36 gets cancelled, which is implies x by minus 9 minus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, the intercept form x by minus 9 minus into minus plus, so y by 4 is equal to 1. Comparing with intercept form x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So x intercept, that is a is equal to minus 9 and y intercept, that is b value is 4. Then example This is example 5.27, but mistakenly they given the number as 27. So this is example 5.27. A mobile phone is put to use when the battery power is 100%. The percent of the battery power Y remaining after using the mobile phone for X hours is assumed as Y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. The first subdivision is you have to draw a graph of the equation, and second subdivision is find the number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40%, and third subdivision is how many time does it take so that the battery has no power. So given Y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1, which is your first subdivision, where x is equal to hours of using mobile phone, y is equal to remaining battery power in percentage. So x is equal to 0. At a time x is equal to 0, you just substitute the value of x at 0. So y is equal to minus 0.25 into 0 plus 1. You get y is equal to 1. Then at x is equal to 1 hours of using mobile phone. So 1 hour kapro y is equal to minus 0.25 into 1 plus 1, which is implies 0.25 plus 1, y is equal to 0.75. Next x is equal to 2 after 2 hours of using mobile phone. Y is equal to minus 0.25 into 2 plus 1, which is equal to 0.25 into 2 is nothing but 0.5 plus 1. So y is equal to 0.5. So at x is equal to 3, you get y is equal to 0.25. So second subdivision, x is equal to 4. At x is equal to 4, you get y is equal to 0. So you just draw a table x and y axis. At x is equal to 0, the y value is 1. At x is equal to 1, y is 0.75. At x is equal to 2, y is 0.5. At x is equal to 3, y is 0.25. At x is equal to 4, the value of y is 0. So you have to draw the graph for the equation. So you just write the x and y coordinates. You just mark the points. X represent hours, y represent the battery power. So points to be plotted: 0, 1, 1, 0.75, 2, 0.5, 3, 0.25, 4, 0. So 0, 1. So 0, 1 is here. Next 1, 0.75. So 1, 0.75. Next 2, 0.5. 2 is in x-axis and y is in 0.5. So the coordinate is 2, 0.5. The next coordinate is 3, 0.25. 3 is in x-axis and 0.25 is in y-axis. Then finally the last point is 4, 0. So this is the graph of the equation. Y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1. Then find the number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40%. Now your mobile phone percentage is 100%, battery full. At 40%, when y is equal to 40 degree, 40%, which is nothing but 4 by 100, which is equal to 0.4. So y is equal to minus 0.25 into x plus 1. Substitute the value of y is equal to 0.4. which is equal to minus 0.25 into x plus 1. So 0.25x is equal to 1 minus 0.4, which is implies 0.25x is equal to 0.6. So x is equal to 0.6 by 0.25 into 100. We just convert the decimal numbers into natural numbers. So it gives 60 by 25. Now it is easy to simplify. So if you cancel out 25 and 60 using the 5 table, so 5 times 25 and 12 times 60. So the value of x is equal to 12 by 5. So x is equal to 2.4. So number of hours elapsed if the battery power is 40% is 2.4 hours. Then third subdivision, how much time does it take so that the battery has no power? ஃபுல்லாக பேட்ரி டவுன் ஆகிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ டைம் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. When y is equal to 0 in y is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1 is given in the question. So you just substitute the value of y is equal to 0 in that equation. So 0 is equal to minus 0.25x plus 1, which is implies 0.25x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 0.25, which is implies x is equal to 1 divided by 0.25 into 100 divided by 100, which is implies x is equal to 100 by 25. So x is equal to 4. The time taken so that the battery has